All right, so after a lot of research and a lot of luck, I'm pretty confident I found an exact replacement remote for the Samsung TVs that I think was probably made on the same factory line. I can't guarantee, but I'm going to show you why I think so. And just quick review here, but I went down the rabbit hole as I usually do, spent several hours trying to find the right remote, the replacement remote for my Samsung. When I originally went down this path, I ended up quitting just because of all the negative reviews on the replacement remotes. By the way, this is the original. This is a replacement, and it was just I would things that were getting 4.5 stars, but then you read the reviews and this one didn't work and this one died after 2 days. Blah 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 blah. Anyway, I thought I came upon one that was a little bit more expensive than the others because you can get some of the replacements for like $5-10 each. This was a little bit more. I got it on sale, but it's still less than the original. And but I'm going to show you why I think it might be even coming from that same exact factory line. But just for starters, when I got it, one thing you'll notice, like just exact. It's hard to tell on the black one, the old one, but this. Not only, obviously, they all have the same like shape and everything, but this was the exact shape, and then even this sensor part where the RF goes, this is identical. All right, not that big of a deal. Something like simple, but look, you see these like dots here, which don't actually, they're not raised, but for whatever reason they're on there. It looks like it's raised, like it gives you grip. It doesn't, but it's also on the original. There's no reason they have to put this on, and it'd probably make it more expensive, but this just tells you it might be coming out of the same exact mold. As the the original Samsung ones. Flipping forward, some of the other replacement remotes will show you different. They'll have like basically the same buttons or same functionality, but they're shown a little bit differently. These are exactly the same in terms of the colors and stuff. This new one, and I'm not sure how the newer, my Samsung remote is a little bit older, has the the hot buttons here, but even like. This is worn off, like you can barely see the CH here, but these were pretty much the same. In terms of like the clicking and everything, at first, like not all the replacement remotes have that, these raised bars for the up-down channels and the volume, but that alone, the stiffness, that tells you like it's quality, like it's pretty stiff, and that's not going to come loose. If anything, it was a little bit stiff. It was giving my thumb a little ache there on the first day, but it's starting to wear in. But that click is actually a good thing, and that stiffness tells you it's not going to wear out like these other reviews show on the replacement remotes. This is also quality. Like you could just feel like it's got that tension here. As the originals, people will complain about that on the others. That noise. That's quality. That's going to last. Same thing with all these other buttons. Great. So one of the reviews on the generics replacements in the Amazon reviews, they're all talking about like, oh, all you have to do is put the batteries in and then it works. You don't have to do anything. And one of the things I noticed on the review for this replacement was that, oh, you had to pair it. You have to press 2 buttons. So I thought, oh, okay, that's not the original. It's not, and I don't remember doing that for my original Samsung. I thought, oh, no big deal, but if it works, that's fine. Sure enough. And here's where I'm going to get some more details if I can get these the back covers off, which also is why I think they might be a part of the original. Sometimes these are hard to get off, but they slip. And I took the batteries out. The same exact weight, by the way, with and without batteries. And this one slips off. Remember, it's the exact same shape. Take this off. Let me take these batteries out. But anyway, as far as pairing, take a look on here. And sure enough, it says to pair it, you have to press these 2 for 3 seconds. Now remember, this is the original remote. So the original remotes require you to pair it too. So all those generics that you see that say don't need pairing, they're definitely not the originals. But anyway, that's just another more evidence why I think this may be off the original factory line. In China they do that, and that's the other thing. This is made in China. You can see that here. So this is where we're going to get into the nitty-gritty, but let's compare these. This is the original. If you can see the writing. And this is the replacement. It's got the same exact writing in there, which they don't have to do that. This is the inner side, remember. And you see how this is right side up, and then you have to flip it to read the rest. Hopefully that's zooming in. Where it says AM3AA, okay. And the same thing here, AM3AA, okay. So then the whole, here's some more detail. Like, see these like cutouts are the exact same, and then you see the whole battery thing. This etched in, CE. This is all the same. Now, if you were copying something, these are details you don't really need. Even this, how it slips in. You see these cutouts for the cover. This is all the schmutz in there from years, but these are the same. Basically, all the indications are that this may be coming off the original factory line, in which case you're getting an original, basically the original remote control for I don't know, at least $20 cheaper, $15, $20 cheaper. I'll leave a link for this remote, and this, hopefully it's still on sale for you, the sale price, but still significantly cheaper. More expensive than the cheap generics, but that get terrible reviews. But it's this one's going to last, and it's probably going to do the same job. As far as pairing, yeah, I did. I pressed it for 3 seconds, and it paired right up. All you have to do is turn your TV on, and if your remote's already broken, just walk up to your TV and press the button that's on the TV, the power button on there. TV will go on. Hold these down 3 seconds, and boom, it pairs. Done. It's that easy. Same batteries, but there's some more details here that I wanted to show you. But here, the whole made in China right here. Where is that? I saw it on here. Here, made in China. Made in China, made in China. Even these divots, like it's so close that I'm pretty sure it may have come off the same factory line. And obviously, this could be a new factory line. This is a very old remote. This is almost 10 years old already, or more. Anyway, I wanted to show this to you because, as usual, I went down the rabbit hole. Wanted to save you guys the time, the money, and frustration. This is the way to go. This works, and you may even be getting the equivalent of the original. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. Thank you for joining me.